Hello, children. How are you? Hope all of us are doing good and all of us are excited to begin this new session today. And we will begin with our first chapter, which happens to be a very beautiful poem. The title is How Beautiful the World Is. Now, we see so many things around us and we find beauty in almost everything that we see. Now, before we begin this poem, let us look at what the poet wants to tell us. Now, everything we see and feel around us is called nature. Now, whether it is the trees, the flowers, the beautiful animals, birds, people around us, what are all these things? These are a part of nature. We ourselves are a part of nature. And it's a blessing to us. Why is it a blessing? Because everything that we get, where do we get it from? From nature itself. And if you want the best from nature, just give it back the best you can. अब आजकल क्या है? We see and hear about so much of pollution around us. And what does this pollution do to us? It affects us badly. So, should we be contributing more to the pollution? नहीं. हमें क्या कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हम ऐसे काम ना करें जिससे हमारे आसपास गंदगी हो या फिर पोल्यूशन और ज़्यादा बढ़े. Now let's begin with this poem. How beautiful the world is. How beautiful the sky above. How green the grass is. The morning dew. How musical the dove. Now, whatever we see around us, जो भी हम दुनिया अपने आसपास देखते हैं, हमें कितनी खूबसूरत, कितनी beautiful नजर आती है. When we see the sky above us, the blue color of the sky is so soothing, it calms us and it is so beautiful. And the grass around us, how does it look? ब्राइट ग्रीन. ये जो ब्राइट ग्रीन कलर है घास का और ऊपर जो हमें ब्लू ब्लू स्काई नजर आती है, कितनी खूबसूरत हमें ये एक पेंटिंग की तरह नजर आता है. Now the morning dew and how musical the dove. You know what is dew? Now, if in the early morning you have observed drops of moisture on the surfaces around you, चाहे वो पौधों के पत्ते हो या फिर घास हो या इवन आपकी कार की सरफेस के ऊपर, have you seen वो छोटे छोटे ड्रॉप्स पानी के? इसको हम कहते हैं dew. And they look so beautiful, especially when the light of the sun falls on it. And have you ever heard the song or the sound of the bird dove? Dove के बारे में जानते हैं? इसको हम वो वाली bird कहते हैं जो कि peace को represent करती है. If you have seen the dove, it looks so beautiful and it appears as if it sings also very melodiously. Let's continue. Apart from this, can you actually name some other birds which can sing? I am sure हमारे आसपास हमें बहुत सारे birds की musical, beautiful, melodious सी आवाज़ें सुनाई देती हैं और कई बार ऐसा लगता है ना जैसे कि ये सारी birds गा रही हैं, हमें entertain कर रही हैं. It's just that their sound, the way they speak or the kind of sound they make is very melodious. Eyes to see the colors bright, ears for music of delight, nose to smell the fragrant rose, skin to feel the breeze that blows. Now, if we are aware of all the things around us, we are also aware of our senses. हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स ही हैं ना जो हमें अपने आसपास की दुनिया को महसूस करने में और देखने में हेल्प करते हैं. It is our eyes which help us to see such beautiful and bright colors around us. And then it is because of our ears that we can hear so many sounds and the music that gives us delight or happiness. Then we have the nose which helps us to smell so many different kinds of fragrances around us. The flowers that you can smell, even the smell of the food that you eat, whatever perfume you might use, you are able to enjoy all those beautiful smells because of your nose. And when the breeze is blowing so beautifully, how do we feel कि हमारे आसपास बहुत ही अच्छी सी हवा का प्रभाव है? Because we feel it on our skin. And who has given us all these sense organs? God, or perhaps God who has made nature, or just the nature around us. It is our sense organs that help us to feel all these things, enjoy all this beauty of the nature that surrounds us. How beautiful the world is, how blue the sky above. God is there in all creation, flowing forth in light and love. अब ये जो हमारे आसपास इतनी सुंदर दुनिया है, जो वर्ल्ड है, we are able to enjoy the beauty of this world. We are able to enjoy the blue color in the sky. Now, why or how are we able to enjoy all this? Because of God. Why? So, when the poet says that God is there in all creation, पोएट क्या कहना चाहते हैं कि हमारे आसपास जितनी भी चीजें हमें नजर आती हैं, इन सब में गॉड की प्रेजेंस है. God has not only made all these things around us, including us, but God is also present in all the things that He has created, flowing forth in light and love. So, the light that helps us to see everything is because of God, and God Himself is flowing in that light, and through that light, in the love that we feel for all things around us and that we get from all things around us. So I hope that you have enjoyed this very beautiful poem, and from now onwards, we all will be very conscious of everything around us and take care not to spoil anything.